Keema bread. Okay, what do you need to make the bread?
Flour.
Flour. 4 cups flour.
Egg.
1 egg.
Oil.
Half cup of oil.
Salt.
2 teaspoons salt.
Sugar.
1 teaspoon sugar.
Yeast.
1 tablespoon yeast.
And milk.
How much milk? 1 cup milk.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you want to... Who's helping you today, Musa?
Hadi.
Hey, Hadi. Hello.
You cute little Hadi.
Hello, Hadi. Okay, what are you doing now, Musa? Okay, so he's going to put the dry ingredients in the flour. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do it too, Hadi. You added 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 4 yeast. Now mix it, guys. Use your hand. Yeah.
How do you do it too? How do you do it too? It makes you. Oh, you great job, Hadi. You're doing it. Oh my God, Hadi.
Okay, now you can add the egg.
I wanna add the egg.
Okay, add. Add the oil. The oil. Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Mom.
Mix everything. Mix.
Okay.
You're going to add.
Mix the.
Everything goes in there. Great job, guys.
That's cool, Mama. It's cold.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
It's okay.
I'm the hot man.
Is it? Okay.
I'm the hot man. I mix too.
Keep going. Mix.
I'm not super shy.
You need to make a dough.
Yeah, how do you? I do it.
Yeah, keep going. Everywhere.
Oh, it's the split.
Yeah.
I just split.
You might need a little bit of water. First mix everything.
I want to warm.
See, it looks good. You need to mix everything. You might not even need water. Because you added 1 cup of milk.
No.
So that should be enough to make a dough.
Yeah.
Great job. Do you like it? Is it like slime?
Yeah.
Hadi, what are you doing, Hadi?
Yuck. Yeah.
Slime.
But they're sticking in my.
It will stick because you need to mix the dry part. You know it.
Oh.
Yeah, you forgot? Did you forget?
Yeah, I forgot.
Where's your dough, Musa?
Good.
It's almost ready.
Okay.
So what do we need to do now? We need to leave the dough on the counter for how long?
A long time? I like a long time.
1 hour?
Yeah.
For it to rise? Okay. Meanwhile, you can start making keema, okay?
I need to wash my hand again.
Okay. Let's keep the dough. Is it ready now? Looks pretty good. Okay.
It looks like dupe. It looks like dupe.
Where did Hadi go? Where is Hadi? We need to find Hadi.
Right there.
Hadi, what are you doing? Silly boy.
So we're making keema.
Okay, so what do you have? You have about 1.5 cup of cooked keema, ground beef. What are you going to add?
This.
Okay, so Just start adding.
Okay.
Start with onions.
Okay.
So chopped onions, right? Good job.
Sorry.
What about tomatoes? Okay, salt. Yeah. Good job. What is this?
Coriander.
Good. Yes. Chili peppers.
Chili pepper.
About 1 teaspoon.
It sounds like leaf.
What is this?
This is this.
Chili powder and black pepper.
Yeah.
Half teaspoon
Yeah.
each.
Right here.
Good. What's the last thing that goes in there?
Lemon juice.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. Woo!
Okay, mix it. Do you want to add a little bit of?
Yeah.
That's good.
Ooh.
That's good. Okay, mix everything, Musa.
Okay, I'm gonna mix the ketchup. I'm gonna mix everything. Oh, now I see the beef. I see the beef now. Wow.
Okay, your dough is ready. Let's cut it into 6 pieces, and then we can start adding our stuffing. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, did you cut it into, how many pieces did you cut it into? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
8.
Count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 pieces. Okay, now make round balls.
Round ball?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Take 1 piece.
1 piece? Okay,
Yeah.
I'll take this
Grab
one.
one.
Oh! Oh. Yeah. Making into a bowl.
Into a ball. Okay, how is it going?
Good.
Great job.
Good?
Okay, now start rolling, Musa.
Okay.
You can use the flour.
Okay, I will use the flour.
Yeah.
I heard you, but I heard you. Wow, it turned cool. Have some flour. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Woo! Sprinkle
Flip
some
it.
flour.
Flip it. Flip it. Yeah. There you go. Now roll it.
Okay. I'm gonna do it with salt. I mean flour. I thought that was salt. You eat salt, not eat flour, right?
Yeah. You're
So-
right.
So flip it.
You can if you want.
Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, it's gonna. So you have to flip
Okay,
it.
so this is ready, Musa. What are you going to add first? Feta, okay. Feta cheese, okay, in the middle, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
It's so great adding. And the cheese too. And the cheese great adding too. Woo! Wow.
Okay, now you add the beef. Okay, now add the beef
Okay. Wow, the
in
beef.
the middle, yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. In the middle.
Oh, put this here.
That's okay.
That's okay. Okay.
Alright.
And the
Go
beef
ahead.
is good for you. Beef is good for you. Oh! It turned to Solomon cheese. If you add the cheese, it's great. And if you add this, it's great. I like this. I like adding. That's a great adding. Like this.
Yeah, looks great, Musa.
And like this.
That's good. I think that's enough, right?
And we need to add cheese.
Okay, let's make one with cheese and one without cheese, okay? Oh, did you eat that?
It's okay.
What are you doing now, Musa?
Closing it.
Okay, keep closing. So we are not closing the whole thing. We are just going to go up to here. Look, I show you. Wait.
With this?
No, not the whole thing. Yeah, up to here. Okay.
Pinch it.
Okay, great job. You wanna pinch the other end too?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's make another one with the cheese, okay? Try the cheese first.
Yeah.
How is it?
Good.
Okay.
So try the cheese again.
Sure.
Okay. Tastes good, Mama. They go down. Oh, I want the cheese. No, you don't. Don't have the cheese. You can have the cheese when you can have the Solomont. I don't want the Solomont. What's Solomont?
Okay, keep going.
I'm keep going. Oh, big
All the
one.
way to the end.
All the way to
Yeah.
the end. Oh,
Don't drop it.
I'm not dropping it. Oh,
I think that's good, right?
But-
All the way to the yes, right there.
but there's an X.
That's good, Musa. Let's start now. Do the same thing you did in the other one now. How long do we need to put it in the oven for? Do you remember? 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes?
Yeah, on 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh!
Okay, ready? They look like boats.
Yeah. The Keema bread is ready! Yeah.
You want to try some?
Yeah.
Okay, let's cut it. Which one do you want? The cheesy one? Or...
I want the cheesy one.
Okay, let's cut it. Let's out which one do you want?
Cheesy.
We'll cut both.
Is that the cheesy one?
Yeah.
Is that the cheesy one and that's not the cheesy one?
Yeah.
Wonder, but I want.
Go ahead, Musa, eat. Nadal, go
Yeah, I'm
ahead.
gonna choose
Try
this
the
one.
keema bread.
I'm gonna do this one.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this one. Now this one's the best, and that one's the yuck. Look.
Hadi, what happened to your hat? Your hat looks so funny, Hadi.
That's not. That's not down.
That's Nadal's?
Thank you. Thank you for washing.
Washing? Did you say thank you for washing?
Thank you. Thank you for washing.
Washing, okay.
Not washing.
Oh, sorry, I thought you said washing. Alright, bye-bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye, Hadi. Bye, everyone.
Bye.